Hi my lovely angels, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to do a first impressions and a review of the Stay Quirky Wipeout Makeup Remover. This is supposed to be a dupe of the original makeup remover, which is worth rupees 1499. But this one is worth just rupees 399, which is a fraction of the cost. I bought this from purple.com. I'll leave the link below in case you want to buy it. When we open this packet, we get the cloth inside a polythene bag. Now this cloth is very soft. It's a microfiber cloth. I'll read out the instructions. It says squirt water and use your fingers across the length of it while gently rubbing it across your face. That's how you do with it. One side of the cloth is a very soft and smooth fiber, and the other one has a bit longer fur. I'll just wet this cloth and come back. So I'll start off from my cheek area, and I'm doing on just the left side of my skin. Okay, so this is pretty good. I'm surprised. Now I can see that this cloth is pretty soft and delicate. It has removed all of my foundation and concealer. I'll take this clean side and I'm trying to rub it off, but you can see nothing has come off, so it removes all of the foundation and concealer in just one go. Now let's try to remove my eyebrow products. It's done a pretty good job, I must say. Now let's try to remove the liquid lipstick. Wow, this has actually removed almost all of the liquid lipstick that was there. Finally, we are going to try out the eyes. This is the part of the makeup which I'm doubtful about, but let's try. Okay, so it has removed all of the eyeshadows, but about the mascara and the liner, no. Let's try once more. Now most of the liner has come off, but some amount of the mascara is still there, and I can already see two of my eyelash hairs sticking to this towel. So I'm not going to try out this on my eyelashes anymore. Overall, it has done a pretty good job, I must say. It has removed all of the makeup of my face except the mascara. This is the side of the face where I have a lot of makeup, and here I don't have any. I think it's an awesome product for rupees 400. Now if you have seen my nighttime skincare routine, you must have seen how thoroughly I remove all of my makeup. This is going to replace all of my baby wipes because you can clean it and reuse it. I would still use a separate eye makeup remover, and on a daily basis I'm just going to use this instead of using a cleansing cream. But on the days that I have worn a foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, blush, I might as well use a cleansing milk and then wipe off using this one instead of a baby wipe. Let's quickly summarize all of the advantages and disadvantages. The advantages would be: 1, it's super affordable. 2, it removes most of the makeup. 3, it's easily available. You can buy it off purple.com. 4, you just need plain water with it. It was normal temperature water. I did not even use warm water. And 5, it's good for the environment. I think by using this, you're going to produce less amount of solid waste. Now coming down to the cons, I think there is just one con, that is it does not remove the mascara. So we have 5 versus 1, and you better know whether to go for it or not. I feel very weird on the camera with my makeup on just half of my face, so I'll just go now. If you enjoyed this review, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram to see more reviews and first impressions. The link to my Instagram will be in the bottom description bar. And once you're subscribed to my channel, also click on the bell button so that you're notified of all my future videos. And I shall see you soon. Until then, bye. But this one is worth rupees. But this one is worth rupees. But this one is worth. But this is worth. But this is worth just.